Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to calculate percentage change in Excel. So, to calculate percentage change, we have taken a sample data in which there are different products, and in column 3, prices in 2022 and prices in 2022 are depicted in column number 4. So here in column number 5 we will calculate the percentage difference or percentage change. The formula will be equal, start bracket, and then select later price divided by earlier price. Close the bracket and minus 1 and press enter. To convert into percentage, click here on percentage style and then drag it to the bottom. So there is the percentage difference in prices. The positive integer shows that there is a increase in prices, and the minus or negative percentage shows the decrease in price. And if you want to get exact change in price, go here in increase decimal and increase the decimal to 2 point. So this is how you can calculate percentage change in Excel. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.